Introducing the EndFlex Kartnr-V vertical cartoning machine. A compact, all-in-one unit designed to automatically open, load, and close chipboard cartons. With speeds of up to 50 cartons per minute, or 3,000 per hour, that delivers consistent, high-performance packaging in a small footprint. In this demonstration, you'll see the operator hand-loading jars onto the infeed conveyor for greater efficiency. The Kartnr-V also supports automatic bottle infeed and robotic loading for long, narrow items or top-sealed cups. The Kartnr-V even allows you to combine automatic and hand loading simultaneously. Ideal for inserting jars alongside leaflets, booklets, or other components in pharma and nutraceutical packaging applications. The EndFlex Kartnr-V is your all-in-one solution for vertical cartoning. Contact us today at info@paxiom.com to request specs and pricing, and start reducing labor costs from manually erecting, loading, and closing cartons.